crops, wheat used for white bread, pastries, pasta, and pizza has been the main crop of the cereal since the 18th century. It was first introduced by the English colonists and soon became the real cash crop of the farmer who sold it to the urban population and exporters during the colonial period. Its culture was concentrated in the central colonies known as the bread colonies. In the mid-18th century, the wheat culture spread to the valley of the Maryland and the Virginia, where George Washington was a prominent farmer because he had turned away from tobacco. The crop moved to the West Ohio in 1840 and Alonian in 1860. Alonius replaced its wheat with the corn, which was fed locally to the Hague. The invention of the mechanical erosions makers, first produced by the horse and then tractors, has enabled large farms to grow much larger than small ones. Imported farmers had to take money to buy land and equipment, and they had to specialize in wheat, which made them more prone to price fluctuation and encourages them to seek the government help to stabilize or increase prices. Used to give wheat cultivation depends only on the important input of the labor during the cultivation, especially during the harvest. Therefore, successful farmers, especially in the Great Plains, brought more and more land, brought very expensive mechanical equipment, and relied on the labor's migration. At harvest time, migrant families used to outsource the community without local recruits, and most lived near the poverty line except during the harvest season from 1909. The to present, North Dakota and Kansas have intended to take the first position in wheat production, followed by the Oklahoma, Montana. McCormick prepare and twine builders in 1884. In the colonial period, wheat was sown by the broadcast, harvested by fodder, and harvested by fruit. The kernels were then taken to a grist mill for grinding in flour. In 1830, it took 4 men or 2 bulls who worked 10 hours a day, producing 200 bushels. In the 19th century, new technology greatly increased productivity as the sowing of the drills replaced broadcasting. The pupils replaced the weeds, and as a result, the breeders and the binders took our steam-driven thrashing mechanism. Machines put out fires. By 1895, at the Bonoza farm in Dakota, he drew 6 men and 36 horses for heavy harvester who worked 10 hours a day, producing 20 bushels. In the 1930s, a gasoline powered combine began operating. A man in a joint operation on the harvesting and pulls grass. Production reached 85 million bushels in 1839, 500 million in 1880, 600 million in 1889, 1901 million in bushels in 1915. In the 1890s, there was a tendency for the price to drop, which led to great anxieties in the plans